Hey, happy Sunday everyone and my followers. So today I'm going to show you this video behind the scenes as a digital network marketer and also as a online marketing coach for home business owners, right? So I have always mentioned in the past videos that as a modern network marketer, right? There are three things that we advocate, we emphasize, that the community that I'm coming from fundamentally revolves around this marketing principle called the attraction marketing, right? And in the old school network marketer, well, no matter how successful you are, maybe you are leading a huge team, right? You will realize that there will come a point of time that do you really have time freedom, unless you choose to retire, right? But most of you that you have achieved that level of successes, right, you may not want to retire yet, maybe you're already 70 years old. I have two good friends, which is one of them is close to 70, the other one is already 70 plus, very successful old school network marketers. In my opinion, when I look at them and their lifestyle, right, they may have made the money, they have a huge team, and and coming from international market, not just local market in Singapore, Malaysia, they have Vietnam, they have China. But in my opinion, right, they can't really wind down because of also responsibility. And another thing that is probably is quite fatal to a lot of all these old school network marketers is that we have already entered the digital age and internet marketing is here since the 1990s, right? And so what they are missing out is the leverage part from technology, from using digital strategy and tactics. For example, having more automations, right? And in my opinion, right, they kind of like they have forgotten that why they even want to step away from their traditional businesses or from their employment, right, to step into network marketing business, right? Because of leverage, right? The leverage way of making an income, making residual income from building a business for a period of time, right? Excuse me. And for that, right, I want to bring them back to understand that, well, they can continue to progress with the applying the principle of leverage, right, by really open themselves up, don't be closed or narrow-minded about digital strategies and tactics, right? For example, using like AI chatbots, right? So in this video, I would like to show you behind the scene as a digital network marketer, right? What kind of work we want to help people with, of course we begin ourselves, we're using it to apply it into our business, our home business, right? So here is it. Right now I'm using this this automation platform, which is a messenger auto messaging, or we can call it chatbot kind of platform called ManyChat, and I am also their affiliate, right? Meaning that they share profit with me when I introduce other potential users to subscribe to the platform through my affiliate link. And it's not hard to understand, right? In a network marketing space, right, we are also doing that, right? We are giving referrals away for people to use a product that we represent. And when we created a customer, right, there's a profit sharing, for the brand. So it's the same with in a digital environment, that there is a lot of such powerful, reputable software platform that offer the same thing. They're applying the same concept as a network marketing business. So I'm going to show you that it took me less than 45 minutes to construct and customize something that I'm going to use it on my own home business at the same time, and I can use that to duplicate it to my team, the team that I'm leading, and also I can even sell it as a template to some other these network marketers. They don't have to be the same brand, you see. So I'm also already hinting to you that if you learn such skills well, not only you use that to create income with your existing network marketing brands, or brands, that means more than one brand you can actually market. At the same time, this become another business for you because you have created added value for someone that wants to join your team and collaborate with you in such kind of projects. At the same time, you actually have additional value offered in the sense that you can teach people digital marketing, right? And should the person already have their own brand to market, right? They can't join your team, right? No problem. You don't lose the opportunity of creating business relationship with them either, because you have something else to offer, your own personal offer in the context of teaching them how to set up using automations. For example, let me flip the camera over. This is what this is how this is called ManyChat, right? Okay, I'll put a link around this video for you to actually subscribe, and if you become my subscriber through my link, right, I can give you certain templates, for free as a head start, and give you a free coaching call of 30 minutes. Okay, so here we go. Can you see? Right, so I have created a lead magnet, right? Subscribe, and I get their contact information here, right, through the form of emails, right? And then after that, right, see, so all these are run in using digital system, and is automated. So this is how the whole blueprint looks like. And I also put in the options that should the prospect is not ready, right, because he answer no, right, no, then I have a way to follow them up, because I already built in this follow up steps, and it's not done manually by me, it's done in an automated form, and all these are the follow up steps to remind the person to subscribe. And I even lead them to more resources for free. For example, subscribing to my newsletter, as well as my private my private Facebook group, to provide them with more resources. Let me show you. Okay, here I've done it, right? And let's see. So this is the entire blueprint. Yes, so here we are. Can you see that? My private Facebook group for home business owners, and the newsletter hub that I have already created. So all these are a lot of touch points, for someone that is interested in building a business in a network marketing space, right? If they can't join me, I can still have a business relationship with them, providing them values in the context of in terms of attraction marketing, right? Yeah, that's the marketing principles that we as a community would like to coach, would like to advocate, would like to encourage a lot of network marketers, right, especially the old school ones, to really come and apply this and lead their team along this direction, because that's the future, right? The old school way will slowly dies out, because more and more youngsters will enter this industry, right? Because it's a gig economy, it's a sharing economy, right? They will not be very attracted if you only know the old school way, one-on-one way, manual way, do cold calling way, right? Think about it. So I hope this add value